Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's word is advance, an exciting and practical adjective that's perfect for your growing English vocabulary. Advance means something that is done or given before something happens. It's often used to describe actions or arrangements that are made earlier to prepare for a future event. Let's explore how to make this word a part of your daily conversations. A synonym for advance is preliminary. For example, the company held a preliminary meeting to discuss the new project. Another synonym is prior, as in, the hotel requires a prior reservation for group bookings. These synonyms share the idea of something happening earlier or in preparation. An antonym for advance is delayed. For instance, the delayed shipment caused a lot of frustration among the customers. Another antonym is retrospective, which focuses on looking back rather than preparing ahead. An example sentence could be, the report was more of a retrospective analysis than a forward-looking plan. These antonyms show the opposite idea of being early or prepared. In everyday life, you can use advance in many practical situations. Imagine you're traveling and someone says, I need to make advance arrangements for my visa. Or perhaps you're hosting a party and say, we've already sent out advance invitations to all our guests. It's all about planning and being proactive. Here are a few more sentences to illustrate the word advance. The teacher provided advance notes for the lecture so students could come prepared. She received an advance payment before starting the project. The movie tickets were sold out because they didn't make an advance booking. To recap, advance means something done or given before something happens. It's a great word for planning and preparing, and it helps you sound thoughtful and organized in your English conversations. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support makes a big difference in helping others discover the show. Before you go, I have a fun challenge for you. Try using the word advance in your own sentence and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read your creative ideas. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and have a fantastic day.